Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do another review of the Bluesky Gel polish. I purchased another 4 bottles. I tried to get a different colour range so we can see exactly what this brand is about. So I got the colours UK 041, which is a red, UK 126, which is a pink, UK 142, which is another pink, very sheer, like pearlescent-y kind of pink, and a UK 060, which is a black. So I have already tried 2 of the colours out, which were pretty good. I will link that above so you can go and have a look at my initial review of those. I went ahead and used some little nail pops, and I put 2 coats of each of the colours on. So that is that red, and as you can see, the very first coat was pretty good coverage. I don't do thick coats, I prefer to do thinner coats and more layers than thick coats and less layers, if that makes sense. Runs the risk of like crinkling and bubbling and not curing properly. So I used an LED lamp to cure these, curing after each layer. So as I said, I did 2 layers, and then we will review the actual colour payoff on the pops. Obviously the pops are slightly different to if they were on your nail, just bear that in mind. So this is the red. So this is UK 41. Its name is Adventure, and it is a letterbox red. It's pretty good coverage, as you can see. You can slightly see through it, but this is a clear nail pop. But colour is beautiful. I love a red. I am red, red, red all the way. And these bottles obviously have the colours on the top. Hallelujah! So it's so much easier to find them. The next colour is a UK 126. This is called Attraction, and it is a pale pink with a fine glitter. The glitter is a very bluey, silvery. It depends what light you catch it on. But this would be perfect for a French manicure alternative, or just on top as a little topper for your nail art or your French, however you would like to use it. So that's what it looks like. You get a really good look, a really good feel for what it's going to look like with these little colours on the top. It's so much easier to find them as well. The next one is UK 142, which is Create, and it is described as a sheer pale pink, perfect for French manicures. Now this one, it looks completely different to what it did in the brochure and online. I do show a picture in a second. I mean, it's still a beautiful colour. It's got a slight pearlescent-y feel to it, but as you can see in the pictures, that middle one there, it looks more a brownie, and as you can see, that one, it looks more like the one next to it, which is called Naked, but still a beautiful colour. Now this is the black, which is UK 060, called Classy, a pure black, which I would not agree with. It is more of a purpley tone, so it's more like a black cherry than a pure black. So either way, it is a beautiful colour, and it looks pretty black, but as you can see on that colour there, it has that purple tinge. Alright, anyway, I hope you enjoyed this quick little colour swatches, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!